Where's the...
It's a 10. Okay, guys, I'm out with my shirt on today. Everybody wants them. Everybody wants them. Of course, Cindy didn't wear hers today.
I wore mine yesterday.
Anyways, we are out today because we asked people that if there's something that you want us to do, then to put it down in the messages. So Lauren ended up, which we know Lauren, ended up and she put on there that she wanted us to pick out 5 items each and make a craft with it. She's going to pick out her 5. I'm picking out my 5.
I'm picking out my 5 for her to make.
Yeah. And then I pick out 5 for her. Kind of something like my niece and nephew and them did with my sister. But anyways, Lauren brought this up, so we're going to do it. So what we're doing is we're walking through, we're walking through the whole store. Then we separate and we come and find the stuff that we want to do. So in a sense, we're trying to get ideas on what we want to do. And we'll go from there.
You to do.
Yeah, what I want you to do and what you want me to do.
And we're going to be sitting next to each other, so she'll still help me.
No, I'm not helping. Nope, you're on your own. You got to come up with it. But anyways, and it's not going to be Easter. We're trying to lean more towards Mother's Day. So we're thinking Mother's Day items. So anyways,
we will see you on the other side.
Yeah, look at all the flowers this one has. I've never seen so many flowers.
Okay.
Unreal. Look at all
rattle.
that Easter stuff. Oh my gosh.
Tell him goodbye.
Okay, so we'll meet back up with you here in a little bit because we're just walking through the store and I know you all have been in a Dollar Tree before. Of course, this one is a lot bigger.
Tina, say goodbye.
Okay, goodbye guys. We will be back in just a little bit. Bye.